Ayun yung mga pagkain. Kasi yung mga drinks. Ito pagkain namin. Lugaw. Sawadee ka. Ano ba? Ay, sorry. Ay. Ay, paano ba to? Hindi ko alam to yan eh.
Nilalakad mo yan para yung pamon ko.
Say hi! Hi! Yeah. Ito, may lotion din dito.
Yung Nissan Premium yung ano. Oh, parang Toyota yata to.
Ano, ang driving seat nila dito is sa kanan. Tama no, kanan? Ayan.
1 hour ba?
Ah, 1 hour?
1 hour na.
Okay.
Dapat 6 o'clock. Kumain ka rin naman sa... Anong oras daw alis?
Ang luluwang ng daan dito. Ganda.
Yan na ba yun? Kabilang.
Ito po yung room namin. Ayan, may sala. Ayan, may sala. TV. Tapos ito yung bed namin ni Andeng. Ayan. Tapos ayan. Ayan yung CR namin. Ito yung CR namin. Oh. Okay lang naman. Tapos ayan. Oh, nasa ano na kami, mahal, nasa Victoria. Ito yung hotel namin. Wow, sarap. Oh, makdo. Ande ba rito? Okay, makbo pa rin po. Close sa Taiwan, nakamakbo po. Let's eat. Videoon ko lang. Wow!
Welcome.
Okay, we're here sa Big C. Big C. Daming pila. Akit na kami. Punta kami sa second floor. Dry goods. Daming tao. Oh. Ayan, may mga tsinelas sila dito. Oh, diba? Dami. Good morning. Good morning. Guys. Yes. Wow. Oh, steam. Not really. Food. Sleep.
On your left-hand side po, dito po, we call what po, the Chinese Buddha temple. For the Buddha image po is the longest Buddha in the world. Not longest in Thailand na po, longest in the world.
Dito tayo po. Wow! Punta! Oh. Sis, dito tayo. Maganda dun sis, tara. Yan sis. Oh. Ayan. Ang taas po ng ano lalakarin. Aray ko. Aray. Nandun na po kami sa... Aray. Aray. Ay. Ay, nakasis. Tapos ano sis, bababa na naman tayo? Hindi sis, ako bahala. Ayan po, dito kami hahawak kami kasi masyado makarot po yung hagdan. Hiya. Hiya. Oh. O, diba sanding? Nanguhuna. Oh, tik pa nahulog. Wow. Pang let's go. Jesus. Okay. Sa Gem Salon. We're here sa Gems Gallery. Wow. Ay, sasakay pala tayo elevator. Oh. Okay.
Visit of the bee, they won't stay.
Smallest
They will not stay from this visit of the bee. But this stingless bee, they only produce the propolis for us. Do you know about the propolis, everybody? No. Propolis. We use for natural antibiotic. If you have mouth ulcer, gun infection, you make the propolis with it. This species of the bee we call the European honeybee or Italian bee. Right? You see a lot of the bee in here. This is a worker bee. Only one queen. Only one queen bee in here. So the queen, her body is longer than the other, and then her body is different color from the other. You see over there, the longer one, the queen. He point you. This is the queen.
Oh.
Be careful, be careful. So a lot of the bee disease we call the worker bee, right? This species of the bee, they can produce a lot of the honey, bee pollen, and then the royal jelly, right? We can not here, right? So we collect from the mountain. But if we see the honeycomb all full with the bee honey and the wax, so when we want to collect the honey, we will take the honeycomb, put inside the machine here, put inside the machine.
Yun na to. Bee Hotel.
If you use honey and the water mixed together, if you see your honey mixed with water very fast, it means your honey is sugar. Our honey mixed fast slowly, and then the water still clear. Honey will be back to the original status, so you will see the beehive under the water.
This is the honey bubbles.